Hi, this is Kit Welchlin, and welcome to Welchlin.com. Today's video blog is on time management. The question is, what's my biological time clock? Kit, at different times of the day I have energy, and other times I struggle. I sometimes struggle to stay on task. I sometimes struggle to be productive. And sometimes I just don't feel creative. I know, it's hard to believe. My energy seems to ebb and flow throughout the day and throughout the week. What's the deal with that? Well, it may be time to recognize your biological time clock. Consider this. Are you generally a morning person or an afternoon person or an evening person? Are you more productive at the beginning of the week or the middle of the week or at the end of the week? I would suggest you start to track your energy cycle for the next 2 or 3 weeks and discover your biological time clock and schedule routine tasks when your energy is low and your most important tasks when your energy is high. For instance, if you are a morning person, plan your days by scheduling as many of your important meetings, phone calls, and problem-solving activities first thing in the morning. If you are an afternoon person, plan your days by scheduling as many of your most important meetings, phone calls, and problem-solving activities just before or after lunch. If you're an evening person, plan your days by scheduling as many of your most important meetings, phone calls, and problem-solving activities later in the afternoon or just before the end of the day. When you get home, keep a notepad or journal handy, even on your nightstand next to the bed, so you can quickly jot down ideas as they come to mind and tasks for tomorrow, and you won't have to worry about remembering them in the morning. The key is to schedule your most important tasks when you're at your best. Schedule your routine tasks when you're not. Overall, I think I'm an afternoon person. 18 years on a dairy farm did not make me a morning person. I like the idea of a journal or notepad on the nightstand to jot down ideas, and then I can fall right to sleep. Hopefully, I'll be able to read my handwriting in the morning. Thank you for watching this video blog on time management. And the question was, what's my biological time clock? Take the time to track your energy throughout the day, throughout the next couple of weeks, and see if you can recognize your biological time clock. Schedule your most important tasks when you're at your best. If you or members of your organization are struggling with time management, contact me at kit@welchlin.com, and I will provide a presentation packed with time management strategies that work